If you think fries are already good on their own, this seasoning is about to change your mind. Once you try this ketchup-style French fry blend, plain fries just won't do anymore, and honestly, it hits way better than those usual store-bought shakers. Things you need to make this seasoning, and all the directions are mentioned in the description. Let's start with 1 tablespoon of tomato powder. This is what gives us that signature ketchup-style tang. Right after that, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika for a little warmth and smokiness. Next goes half a teaspoon of garlic powder, along with half a teaspoon of onion powder. These two work together to build that savory base flavor. For a gentle kick, I'm adding half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, along with 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Cayenne is totally optional if you like just a touch of heat. To balance that tomato acidity, in goes half a teaspoon of sugar, just enough to round everything out. Now for a subtle herby note, add 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano and 1/4 teaspoon of dried basil. These add that familiar, almost restaurant vibe. And finally, I finish everything off with 1 teaspoon of salt to bring all those flavors together perfectly. Now give everything a really good mix until the seasoning looks evenly blended and that color turns nice and uniform. This is where all those flavors come together. And if you're enjoying these easy homemade recipes, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your loved ones. And don't forget to tap the bell icon so you won't miss any of our new videos. And just like that, your homemade ketchup-style French fry seasoning is all ready. This recipe makes about 3 tablespoons of seasoning, which is perfect for coating 3 to 4 servings of fries. Sprinkle it over hot fries right after frying or baking and watch them turn seriously addictive. If you're making this ahead or have any seasoning left, simply store it in a spice shaker or any airtight container. It keeps really well and is always ready whenever those fry cravings hit. We really hope you try this at home soon. And when you do, leave us a comment and let us know how tasty your fries turned out.